For learners with visual impairments, another really good accessibility option is known as speech. Now we can find that within accessibility, and it's the last one in the vision options. The Mac has the ability to read text out loud to us, but we can choose how fast or how slow we want that to happen.
Hello, my name is Daniel. I am a British English voice. Hello, my name is Daniel. I am a British English voice.
Once we have selected our speaking rate, we can open up a document, highlight some text, right-click, and click on Speech to get the Mac to read it out for us.
Speech is another feature within the vision bracket of accessibility on a Mac that I feel is noteworthy, to say the least. By default, the Mac has the ability to read out any selected text on your screen.
So there you go, a really good option for any child that struggles when reading off of the screen. Another function that I think is worth mentioning is this Enable Announcements button. When this is turned on, the Mac will read aloud any alerts that come up on the screen.